I'm JT Barbs, aka Josh. I've been cutting hair since 2015 and I'm the manager here at the Basement Barber.
Ay, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with.
The job's important to me because if you enjoy what you do for work, it's not really a job, it's more of a passion. And I enjoy cutting hair. I enjoy coming to work every day because I like what I do.
Stripping and dipping and bass, slap on everything. Swimming and sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags.
I like to make the new clients feel comfortable. There's no intimidation factor involved. Like they can come in and express how they feel and I won't judge. I can give them what they want, make them feel good. I excel in customer service. I don't see it as me giving someone a service. I see it as two mates catching up and giving them a good haircut. And I feel like the positive attitude reflects on the other barbers and helps bring up the
on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you ask it. Don't gotta sell a Mosialis flawless, broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, did it like the Porsches coming in. Flex, I just wanna win. LABB, who we running with. 2233, I'm on 10 again.
Well, that shit was fly, Joe.
Thanks, bro.
I just wanna win. LABB, who we running with. 2233, I'm on 10.